I, Dr. Saurabh Parekh, welcome you all. This video is in continuation of my previous video wherein I have explained about advanced filter with multiple criterias within the same sheet. And today in this video, again I'm going to explain you about advanced filter with multiple criterias but into another worksheet. So let's again take a view of this data first. Say this worksheet contains a list of employees with their state and the sales figure that they have achieved for any particular quarter. Now say I need to filter the data for the transactions where the state is MP and quarter is 2. Say I need the filtered data not anywhere in this actual data list or not even with any location of this worksheet. Now I need the result to be placed with this new worksheet named filtered data. So under this new worksheet filtered data, I need the result of my filter option. So let's start it again with the option advanced filter. Right now my current worksheet, my active sheet is the filter worksheet. This is my active sheet filter where I have my data, and with this filter worksheet I have my criteria range as well. So as we'll click on the advanced option, we'll have the advanced filter dialog box. Now under this, the first is the action. Under action we'll select the option copy to another location. So I need to copy the result of this filter to another location, that is to another worksheet. So I've selected this option copy to another location. The next is list range. My list range is already selected here, that is cell A8 to D17. This is the list range where my actual data lies. The next is about the criteria range. Now for what criteria you need to filter your data. So here I have selected the range from cell A1 to D2. For this particular criteria I need to filter the data. Now copy to, where you need to copy your result. I need to copy my result with another worksheet that is under filtered data. As we'll click on filtered data, we'll move to that worksheet. I've selected the cell A1 of filtered data worksheet, and as I will press OK, I'm getting the error. Now just check what this error is. The error is you can only copy filtered data to the active sheet. It means that the filtered data could be only copied to the active sheet. So this filtered data sheet was not my active sheet, that's why this error occurred. Now I need to copy the data with filtered data worksheet only. Then what I need to do is I will start this option from filtered data worksheet rather than starting it from the filter worksheet. So I have right now made this filtered data sheet as the active sheet here. Now I will click on the option advanced. Under advanced, again I will use the option copy to another location, list range, where the actual data lies. List range is with the filter worksheet cell A8 to D17. Criteria range. Now criteria range also lies with the filter worksheet cell A1 to D2. This is we have given here. And now copy to, where you need the result. I need the result to be copied at cell A1 of the worksheet filtered data. So of this filtered data worksheet, with this cell A1 will have the filtered data. Now as we will press OK, In that case, with this worksheet filtered data, I'm getting the result of those transactions where the state is MP and quarter is 2. So this is how you can use this advanced filter option to filter your list with multiple criterias in another worksheet. Fine. So while you are using this option, you need to be careful that you need to make your active sheet with the worksheet where you need the result. So wherever you need the result, in whichever worksheet you need the result, should be your active worksheet, and then you need to use this option advanced filter. Okay, so I think you have got to this point of advanced filter, and hope you would have liked this video. You would have gone through, you have cleared your concepts of advanced filter with this video. I would like to thank you all to view this video. Thanks a lot again. Thank you.